Hey guys, come with us to the Better Box food truck. It is outside of a brewery, and this is the menu. It has Cajun crab fries, different burgers, cheese sticks, and egg rolls. We tried her most popular items. She was through a little window. You can pay with Apple Pay, and then she had pictures at the bottom. We tried the drinks that she had. I'm gonna list those in the video so you guys can see. Here is what the food looked like. It took about like 20 to 30 minutes for the food to come out. We also got some little sweets and stuff too, just to try out. After trying everything, guys, the overall rating would be 8 out of 8.5.